Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Volkswagen Passat. First, make sure your Passat is in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before you even think about turning the engine over. Next, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors so you have a clear view of your surroundings. Finally, double-check that all doors are securely closed. These initial preparations ensure a safe and smooth start to your journey. If your Passat uses a traditional key, insert it fully into the ignition slot located on the steering column. Once inserted, turn the key clockwise to the on position. You'll see the dashboard lights illuminate. Then, continue turning the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine catches, then release the key, allowing it to spring back to the on position. For Passat models equipped with a push-button start, ensure your smart key is inside the vehicle. The car needs to detect the key's presence to allow starting. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your foot. This is a vital safety interlock. With the brake pedal depressed, simply press the engine start/stop button once. The engine should then crank and start automatically, ready for your drive. If your Passat doesn't start, first check your battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked. Sometimes a slight wiggle of the wheel while turning the key can help. If you encounter persistent issues, always refer to your Volkswagen Passat owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and specific model information. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.